Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you all how to search for items using Google Lens on ULEFONE Note 18 Ultra. You have two options, either to take a picture firstly and then use Google Lens, or just open the camera. And here is the Google Lens icon, so just tap here and now tap on allow access, but just tap here to search with camera, and either you can just pull the image from gallery and it's going to search for you, or just tap here and tap open camera, grant access, and then you can just take a picture of something. I don't know if you can see it pretty much. Just tap on the shutter icon, maybe more like modification, and as you can see, the results are pretty accurate. And that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.